Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I hope you all are working on yourself and improving day by day. As I'm basically uploading videos and taking challenge. Like basically, it is very difficult for me to upload videos because I feel nervous while uploading. And if I speak and upload video every day, I know basically I'm improving, but still due to some reason and due to some sort of fear I'm not able to basically consistently work on, because we are human beings, we cannot able to work as a robot. But for growth and for improving yourself, you need to have a neutral emotions, because that is how you can able to stick to your plans and goals, because that is very important and very good part of a person who is working on something, because there is lots of emotions running into the minds, and sometimes you feel like you have you are confident, but sometimes you lack confidence. Like these all things happen in the mind, so you need to have a positive mindset towards working on yourself, because nowadays I'm watching a lot of cricket, and I just wake up around 5 o'clock in the evening to watch Indian basically cricketers, like how they perform, because that is how I feel like I got motivation from them, because that is like they are like um, facing a lot of experienced bowlers, and that is very difficult at the time, like but still they are like surviving. So yeah, that is how you got some sort of rigged mentality, that whether you are able to achieve that or not, that doesn't matter, just matter is what you are doing currently. So that is what more important. Sometimes Indian cricket team got a huge target which is very difficult to them to basically achieve that, but still they managed to like get win. But yeah, they just focus on the small spells, which is most important for them. If they are thinking out like bigger, like winning for them, winning for the match, so they collapse basically, because we are thinking not match with the realistic approach, like realistic world. So because of that, there is gap, and that gap are going to be filled, and like lot of expectations going down. And so yeah, that is why like collapse of cricketers happen. So basically this video is about like English language. So I just want to try whatever I basically done today. So never judge me, because I just upload videos on the practice, upload these videos as a practice, because that is how I think I got motivation from, and I got basically confident from. Today very difficult for me, because I'm not able to basically focus on consistently basis, because I just try to skip today. But I just come up and just uploaded that video, that is going to boost my confidence as well. So for now 10 days I'm going to upload the video again and again, same time, same day, basically not a same day, but every day in a same time. So I hope you guys like this video. That is very challenging if you are like not have a plan, and you know like why you are doing this. So basically my reason for uploading videos is believing the person who are not believing himself, and who have self-doubted. Because of that, they are lagging in the field, and like so that is why like you seen Virat Kohli as well, because of like self doubt, he's basically getting out by the bowlers, because there is a lot of potential of Indian cricket team, but still because of their self doubt they are not able to perform it well. If you talk about like cricket, I found out like people's like in the cricket team, people's have can defend 100 as well. So they just need to have a solid belief. So that I found that is most important. And apart from like uh, basically playing, so that is most important. You need to have a solid belief in yourself that you can achieve that. So that is how you can do that. So on this video, that is it. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye, have a good day.